Hi, come on in. Welcome to our magnificent living room. Currently decorated with all of our camping gear. Luxurious, as you can see. Eventually, visualize, we'll have a table, an armchair, a rug, and a coffee table, and artwork. And it's going to be great. And then over here, we have a storage closet. Ooh! That's some real grown-up stuff. And then into the kitchen. That kitchen's the best. We have a kettle. We have a knife block, and it has knives in it. We have a fridge with produce. And a wine rack. And then this is the room. We have an air mattress. One day we'll have a real bed. Today is not that day. We have a closet, which is pretty great. Sharing a closet. We have a pantry with 6 things in it. We have a bathroom with a whole ass washing machine and no dryer. That's our house.